Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. So this is the first tutorial on the intermediate series. So I highly recommend you to go and watch the series from the beginner if you don't know Python, so you can follow this course. Now with that being said, let's start the video. So in today's video we are going to talk about import. We are going to import a library in Python. So what does import, what can we do with import? So I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say that you want to print a random number from, let's say, 1 to 10. So you can't do that without the specific library. So if you don't import the library called random, you can't print a random number. So let me give you an example. Let's first of all let's print random dot rounded from 1 to 20. Okay, and let's run the program. You can see that we get an error, right? So why we got that error? Because Python don't have this random.rounded. You can't do that. To print a random number, what you need to say is you need to import random. Okay, so if you now run the program, you can see that we get 18. If I run the program again, we got 1. We can change those values, right? Like 300. Now we got 125. So it prints random numbers. That's really cool. Random.rounded does this thing. Okay, you can play around with this. You can put the random.rounded inside the for loop, but this video is not about random.rounded. If you want to see a whole video about the library random, you can write it in the comments. But let's talk about another a library in Python. So let's say that we want to print hey, wait 1 second, and then print what's your name. Okay, let's create a really simple program right now. To do that, we need to import time. Okay, and now we need to let's create a program that asks for your name. So let's print what's your name, and now what we can do is say that name is equal to input, and then print hey and the name. So this is going to work. You can see what's your name, Dennis, hey Dennis. But let's wait 1 second before the computer writes hey and the name. To do that, it's really easy. We need to say time dot sleep, open and close parentheses, and inside the parentheses you need to say how many seconds you want to wait. So in my case 1. And now what's your name? Dennis. It waits 1 second and then hey Dennis. So let's say 5 seconds so you can see the difference. What's your name? Dennis. And we got hey Dennis. So yeah, that's something really cool, I guess. You can of course find more libraries, you can search about some libraries. I would probably create a whole series about lots of different libraries. But yeah, that's it for the first intermediate tutorial, and I will see you all guys in the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.